Good morning, folks. Captain Dave Perros here for Salty Cape, part of our ramp series. We're here in Finney's Harbor, whereas a lot of folks know it, Monument Beach, with the new boat ramp here in Bourne. Fantastic facility, great access to the west entrance, upper end of Buzzards Bay, right around the corner of Mashpee Island. You've got the canal, you've got the Mashpee Flats, you've got great access to Cleveland Ledge, some of the best bottom fishing on Cape Cod, sea bass, taugain season, fluke, scup, and the striped bass fishing is phenomenal as well. And it just seems the last couple of seasons, lots of bluefish around this area as well, where a lot of the Cape bluefish seem to be kind of scarce. The great thing about this facility, obviously, you've got double ramp, nice and wide, so you can put two boats side by side in, where on the Cape, unfortunately, a lot of the two boat ramps, they're so tight you really can't get two boats together. Nice floats on both sides. There is fuel here. There is a Harbor Masters building where they do have fuel. You've got the marina here where you can rent slips. Very good parking. The one thing I would do is check with the town of Bourne as far as non-resident is concerned parking. I do know that they do sell resident stickers, but that's one of the challenges. But this tends to be one of the areas in Bourne where you can launch, especially in the off-season. They generally don't bother you. The other thing that's great about this ramp is that it is not tide dependent. You can use this ramp at any stage of the tide, plenty of water. There is one challenge a lot of times when the water is going out and flowing from under the bridge over here. It'll kind of push you a little bit up against this dock, but it really is not an issue as far as tide here. But as I said, it really has everything. Now that they put this new ramp in, it really has everything. You have great parking. You've got your fuel, you've got everything you really need, what you're looking for if you're a mobile trailering boat angler. I highly recommend this area.